Welcome! If you've ever struggled to track down draft emails in Gmail that contain PDF attachments, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the fast and easy way to filter your draft emails so you can quickly find the ones with PDF files, all on your Android or iPhone. These steps have been updated for the latest version of the Gmail app, so let's jump right in. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. If you're not already logged in, just sign in using your usual account details. Next, look towards the top left corner of the screen, and you'll see the familiar menu icon. It looks like 3 stacked lines, sometimes called the hamburger icon. Tap on that, and a list of options will slide out from the left. Scroll through the menu until you find the label marked Drafts. Tap on Drafts, and you'll be taken to a page showing all the emails you've started writing but haven't sent yet. This is where all your work-in-progress messages are stored. Now, focus your attention at the top of this page. Just below the search bar, you'll see a row of filter options. One of those options is labeled Attachment. Go ahead and tap on Attachment. This will instantly narrow your drafts down to just those that have any kind of file attached. But we're looking for PDFs specifically. Right below the filters, you'll see another set of options for different file types. One of these will say PDFs. Tap that and voila. Now you're looking at only your draft emails that have PDF files attached. That's it. You've just learned how to filter your Gmail drafts to show only the emails with PDF attachments, and it only took a few taps. Whether you're following up on contracts, proposals, or any important files, this method will save you time and help you stay organized. If you found this tip helpful, make sure to check out more of our easy-to-follow guides. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.